Hi everyone, we're here at Leach Camper Sales in Lincoln where we camp better, and we're going to look at the 2019 Winnebago Spirit 31G Class C Motorhome today. We're going to start with an outside look of this Class C Motorhome. It's on a Ford chassis. Nice long awning on the entry door side with an outside light for the porch. This will be some storage space back here. It does have the ladder to go up to the roof. It has a backup camera. It does have a full slide out on the driver's side. Let's take a look at the inside. As you walk up the entry stairs here, you can see there is the leveling and awning controls right there, along with the coach battery. This has the bed above the drivers. Some storage space on the passenger side above the pull-out sofa. There's a DVD player. And this sofa will fold down into a bed. On the driver's side is the TV above the booth dinette. Moving into the kitchen area, there are some drawers for some storage space next to the sink, which has a cabinet below it. It does have a 3-burner range with an oven. Above it is the range hood and microwave with another cabinet. Next to the entry door, we do have the refrigerator and some more pantry space. This is the bathroom door here, but the thermostat is right there on the wall. Foot flush toilet. Good sized shower in here. With the skylight above it. And there is a door to the bedroom as well. The hallway that goes to the bedroom are the bunk beds. And this bunk can also move up and snap into position there if you want to use it for hanging storage. Across from the bunks is the TV for the bunk beds. If we move down the hallway, here is the main bedroom with some storage above the bed and on the sides. And lots of wardrobe space and a TV. Well, this has been a tour of the 2019 Winnebago Spirit 31G Class C Motorhome. We're at Leach Camper Sales where we camp better. If you'd like to stop on by, one of our salesmen would be more than happy to show you this or any of our other motorhomes.